Hey everyone, this is my OnePlus phone and it has a notch and it doesn't work. Or it works, but I have to push it very hard for the notch to work properly. So today we're gonna fix it as it looks. You can see, if it's visible in the video, you can see there's a lot of dust and debris that's gone into the notch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just remove the debris and dust, and I'm pretty much sure that this is gonna fix my phone. And if you have the same issue that your notch is not working, it's not taking your phone into the silent mode, make sure that there's no dust and debris inside the notch. As you can see right here, there's a lot of dust and debris right here. So I'm gonna clean it out, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna fix it. And so let's see, it's becoming a little hard to do it with the phone in my hand, but let's see. So you can see what kind of a dust and debris is coming out of here. See that? So I'm gonna clean it out properly. It's much better now. All the dust is out. So I'm gonna just push it down and clean the other side as well. You can see the other side also has a lot of dust and debris in it. So I think there's some hair inside it as well. So you can see, our phones are inside our pockets, and there can be a lot of things going inside the notch. So yeah, that's how you clean it out. So hopefully this is gonna fix it. Previously one of my other phones did have the same issue, and after cleaning the notch, it gave me really good results. So we're gonna try the same. That's why I said I'm pretty sure and confident that this is gonna work, because it did work with my other phone. So there's some hair inside it. I'm gonna try to take it out. So it still has some debris in it, so we're gonna try to clear that out now by keeping it a little bit in a slanting position and see if it helps us to clean it out better. Let's see. Give me a moment, guys. I'm trying to clean this thing up. Okay, that looks nice. That looks pretty nice. Wow, that is super clean now. Much better than how it was before. You can see it right there. Let me show it to you. So this is really good. Much better than before. So looks pretty clean than what it was before, but certainly needs more work. And I'm gonna take it offline and work on it a bit more, but for now I think we will be pretty good. So this is the phone, and I'm gonna use the notch now. So it's gone into silent. I did not press harder. So now I'm gonna go back. That's vibrate, and that's the ring option. Vibrate, silent, vibrate, ring, vibrate, silent. So I'm not pressing too hard, but without pressing hard, it is working normally now. So this has worked. And in case you're facing the same issue, guys, try it out, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna help.